Hello, sixth grade. These are your spelling help notes for Unit 29. So the first thing you'll see, page 186, you have 1 through 14 are your words beginning with D-E. Then 15 through 20 are your words that are T-R-A-N-S. What I'm asking you to do that might be different than here, numbers 1 through 14, please alphabetize those words. So they will all start D-E, but then you're going to want to break it up differently. Okay, the idea is I don't want you just copying mechanically. I would like you to actually pay attention to the words. For 21 and 22, we're looking for SC words that have a sk sound to it. 23, we're going for a basic word where SC then just has a S sound. It doesn't have that K sound to it. For 24 through 29, the hint I can give you, those will all be basic words. There will not be any review words in 24 through 29. Challenge words you should be able to figure out based on the definition. And then 35, 36, define, definite. It's asking about the I, and make sure that's underlined. So that was page 187. Turning to page 188. We are doing the top half where you have the Latin word mit or miss. It means to send, to throw. We'll learn about that with Greek next year. So you're going to use the words there to help you figure it out. Okay, so that's 1 through 8. Find out the word, use the dictionary if you need to. Make sure you're getting the correct word that goes with it. This is where if you actually take the time to watch this video, it benefits you. 9 through 14, you do not have to do. You can skip those. Now, if you would like to do it, I will count that as extra credit. Okay? The way that you would do it, you would go to page 321 and figure out the run-on entries. Okay? So you're talking about suffixes, you're talking about ways that they can change. So for example, the example they produced there is definite versus definitely, definiteness. So that's an ending that they add to the end of it where it's a similar base word, but it's different. I'm not going to make you do that, but it is an opportunity for extra credit if you're interested. Page 189. For 189, we have 11 misspelled words, basic or review words. Use your list, help yourself out. Okay, then this is another where hopefully this helps. There are really 2 mistakes in writing titles. Okay, they say 3, it's really 2. So we remember for titles of things that are long works, they should be underlined. Books, entire CDs. Longer things should be underlined. If it's short, like an article title, like a single song, like a chapter, those are going to be put in quotation marks. Poems, short stories, if it's short, it's a quotation mark. Okay, so for this, there's something that should be underlined as a longer work. And then there's something that's marked as a long work that should not be. It needs to instead be a quote. So really there's only 2. Depending on how you fix the one that needs to be quotes, that's probably why they call it 3. Hopefully this has given you enough clues to figure that out. So 11 misspelled words, 2 errors in titles. Okay, those are your spelling words for the week. They are due Thursday, April 30th.